Ronaldo ga Imran Khan ga ani sigi marakta kanana na pame.
So, both. I think so both because Ronaldo have very good mentality, good physique, good goal scorer, good playmaker. But he has different mentality. My mentality, I'm different over a top of footballer. But like, your opinion, I say mo hayo. Ayo like yam 1 hour per imunga madigine. Families ay no responsibility po ine. Ako'y maase like ang sang yolaga ay shemi ne ba ako'y man. I struggle to ine dumain to. But ay na do the kalam madi. Mayam na so to mahaya as balls hana kay we do no. Esmo wor ko like but lay po do lupatara kun sa to ako'y man ay yom don lay jay. Ado ay na ay mentality strong wam de ay ngam maro haga tugom ba. But ay mentality o ay professional footballer mo ide yade ko ay success o ide yade ko kan mage ay CEO nga mini hoje. So I think it's both.
Mr. Imran, question hangs. Gamen the question hangs.
Ay na hangning mo de lan je kam kan loisan do non. Ma'am.
Lan karam kan loisan kani. Mathangi question si Brother Imran hang jage question hang drikanda brother ki ngasi fogi football ki as a national football player national Indian national football player amoina ngasi fogdo sanarakpa football ki tournament achauba sing isana phangaba achievement sing amukta please mayam da thambina baning sing.
First of all, thank you for inviting me. मैं पुनः मकोई कोंगनों क्रमजाए आई मणिपुर under 14 to under 21 लोई मग मणिपुर की represent और संतोष ट्रॉफी 6 time represent
Santosh Trophy 6 time represented.
Yeah. And I saw 6 years. I 100 caps so like I think 5 matches left. I play for the national team. World Cup qualifying for national team 2023-24. And Durand Cup runners-up, then Super Cup runners-up. So I play all the in the tournament and everything.
Ma'am, please, Imran Kubak, home the Kubil is a pride of our land. Mr. Imran, question hangzer, okay? Manipur football chocolate hanbada thengnari bi issues in kari ne kar.
Manipur the ball sanawadi even the kids like the loimak sanayo adu tournament ju ma'am tawego adu fawadi yam deva issue je local tournament hena yamna sanaba professional line da satawa professional line sanawa city like this is not easy yam hard way fawge the like mentality strong way dedication hard work si yam important way like football city ngasi sanaraga hayeng etam oine have leitiu city every day hard work toraga last success way bane I don't know issue je have the football sanaraga oi roi khanma adu main kalam adu bo hojikti issue di pag leite maram de like lifetime thabuk tawraga job tawraga earn tawdo hojikti like parents sing so loima khangna re like even 7 years ta dum paisa do earn tawe mai masaki like hingbanga mel job tawdra so like earn tawe phajana do hojikti issue leite ana khanje
इंडिया की फुटबॉल टीम नेशनल टीम से वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाइंग दा सुम लेहौरिस कई
सी क्वेश्चन से अदुम अयामना हंगे वा इंगोंदा like I Saudi the like even before 1 month back I training chale because ISL is not starting yet. Hojik say ISL start out rio. It's a big question now. Date fixed out like even the sponsor later bagi ko hoje. I don't know ISL je hojik date fixed out rio. Last month I Saudi the 20 days training chale. It's a big difference. Europe ta so I like training I FC ko ayaw kana Europe ta so I training chale like 1 month. Moi facility ka see India facility ka is totally different. Even the diet, even the training, totally different hoy. Adugi kitang ay na kanjab da ko ay opinion haja de kitang sota brang kale facility je ko training facility. ISL hojikti yamna even yam grow tawre ko hanagumba natre bo hojik even dareni di dagoromangi moi sanawa matam do aduna tra hojik ISL like facility yam pa adubu training facility khara wat prana kale aina sum thengna jabada
okay talent light training what thang a question Imran thang jage as a footballer Ronaldo का मेसी का अनि की मरकता कना है ना पाम में है पे क्वेश्चन जाए ना हंगो है ना हंगो इसे रोनाल्डो का इमरान खान का अनि सी की मरकता कना है ना पाम में
so both I think so both because Ronaldo have very good mentality, good physique, good goal scorer, good playmaker, but he has different mentality. My mentality, I'm different over a top of footballer. But like, your opinion, I say mo hayo. Ayo like yam 1 hour per imunga madegine. Families ay no responsibility po ine. Ako'y maase like insang yolaga ay shemi ne ba ako'y man. I struggle taw ine dumain taw. But ay na do the kalam madi. Mayam na so dumahaya. As balls hana kay woy duno. Esmo wo ko like but label the lupa tara kun trata ko mana yom don leje ado ay mentality strong wam de ay ngamaro haga to gom ba but ay mentality o ay professional footballer mo ide yade ko ay success o ide yade ko khan mage ay CEO ngamine ho so I think it's both.
Okay, thank you so much Imran. Professional footballer is a professional footballer amni adu manipur football sanari ba kaya ama agi parents na fazana support obida ba football se career amoina udabagi situation me ama ma thengnaram gani football di pamjaba professional footballer am oiroi haibagi parents ki negative thought na mar football sana khidraba mayam am leram gani professional football sana ba yai haibasi प्रजादा मेसेज पिने बुदा मक्ता ऑफम कितंग थम्पे
फुटबॉल साना जे आमना लाय बा आमना सानैबा पोर फैमिली दे आम सानैबा अदो मोइगी पेरेंट्स सिंग ना खनबदि बॉल सानागा कै ओइदोनो केम कानारोय आबदि लोकल टूर्नामेंट खरा सानानि पैसा खा फंगनि अदो फुटबॉल कैरियर लेते खनजेबा अदुबो आइना हौजे मेसेज पिनिंग मदे आइसो अदुमाइना खलमदे ngasi सी यौरोइबा थाबुक जॉब तौरगा लाइफ टाइम माना पैसा फंगबदो फुटबॉल सानावा प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉल साना 5 years 7 years ता याम लाइना तालेबा पैसा अदुगा for professional footballer na leiba lifestyle is totally different ne once achieve tawade like 1 year say adum like different 5-star hotel la leidone moina loima take care tawdone facility diet everything doctor physio loim leidone aduna aina message pinning made football sanaraga oi roi khanbiganu football sanaraga ya family hingbe ai big achieve tawwe professional footballer oidi yum loim nungai ni job tawdi hena like nungai
Okay. Asa Manipur mayam da football wo pamjaba football lovers sing da choba asam prepare mai ai ge aroi round si rapid fire round to jage.
इमरान द क्वेश्चन अमता हंजाओगे नागसु तार मनी अखोगी सेनेगल की सिदिकी तो मानो 1 वीक ते फंग बसी 1 करोड़ 50 लाख ने हफ्ता अमदा 1 करोड़ 50 लाख ने मासी वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट पेड ने मासी अदुकी मतिक लाइरबा अदु लाइरबा बु मा फुटबॉल लेबंगम दे man naked way wari sanaki aduna man phangi 1 crore 50 lakh se every week te phangi hafta am te phangi ne ba adu na oir madi ti sidiki oir madi na kari to ko te ke ba
ai Europe player ga Asia player ga big different even Premier League La Liga da sana player je moi paisa 1 week to moi di paisa am ta le like once year in a week months ta nati ko in a week professional hojik India da sana professional player sing ji oi moi jo earn ta oi ko adubu GST income tax am pay ta oi ba ko ju pay ta oi ado ai paisa yam phangam ta di ne ai Manipur je like city du mai na CM ne
Paisa yam pangam taragadi Manipur se adu city moin sem gane ba